What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 7 of the road to Amazon FBA 10K per month profit challenge. And today, guys, we'll be going over the brand story, how to build that out, and I'm going to discuss 3 different ways to actually get your logo designed and create a brand story for your brand, and also how to get a tagline for your brand as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, again, if you're new to the series, what we're doing is going through a 12-week process of me building out my Amazon FBA business, and after that, we're going to be I'm going to be actually showing you how much money I'm getting every month or making every month until I hit a 10K profit. So that's the actual premise of this whole entire challenge. So if this interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. And let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, again, I'm going to show you 3 different sites that you can use to establish your brand from a visual perspective and also to create your brand story. So the first one is going to be 99 Designs. So if you don't know a graphic artist, or if you do know one and they're trash, this is a perfect way to go about doing it. 99 Designs, I've actually been a designer on this site, and it's legit. And from a designer perspective and also from a business perspective. So if you're just trying to get your logo designed, you can just see some of these down here. A couple examples of their work. My internet is crazy slow today, so my apologies up front. So hopefully it actually connects on these sites. So here are a couple of examples of the range that you can get. So in a nutshell, the way it works is you basically just set up a brief of like what you're looking for as far as the color, the style that you want, and obviously like the phrase that you want to say. And then you'll get a whole group of designers that are going to challenge and basically enter a contest to actually win your bid of actually you giving your logo design to well, the designer would design it for you, and then they would just give you that design for your website and for your print materials. And you just basically set the end date that you want all your designs to be finished, like the end of the contest. But you're gonna get a group of professional designers just to mock up everything the way you described in the creative brief, and then you're gonna see all these different examples of the design that you made a bid for, and then you just select the designer that you like, and then once that happens, they'll transfer all the creative pieces like your JPEG, your Illustrator file, and your PNG to you, and then you just pay them. So pretty cool. It's pretty seamless, pretty easy to do, and again, you're gonna get tons of different designs, different looks that you probably never even thought of, but you thought maybe or it could possibly work for your brand. So this is a great way to actually get that done. And again, it's kind of expensive, but you're getting high quality work from professional designers as well. So think of it as a high investment, a high quality investment that you need for your business. So that's number 1, 99 Designs. Number 2 is going to be Fiverr. Now I've used 99 Designs, and I've used Fiverr, and I've used this next one that I'm about to tell you. By far, 99 Designs is going to be a lot higher quality than Fiverr. I guess you could say most of the designers are outside of the US on Fiverr, and the quality seems like it's a little bit lower, but it's also cheaper too. So if you're on a budget, you don't really care that much about how your brand looks, then you want to go to Fiverr. But if you have a little extra money on the side to actually get something that's more high quality to represent your brand, so that would be 99 Designs, and also Upwork, which I'm about to show you here in a second. But again, Fiverr, you would just type in logo design, hit search, then you're going to get a bunch of logo design gigs, and you would just check out their portfolio and see if it fits your style that you're looking for your brand. If it doesn't, no worries. You can also go to Behance as well. They have a lot of designers. They're going to be more expensive too, but again, you're getting high quality designers, and you know they're professional because they have their portfolio on Behance as well. So Little food for thought as we wait on my slow internet. Let's see. I don't know what's going on right now. Waiting and waiting and waiting. But anyway, as we wait, let's go to Upwork. This is the last one. So Upwork is really high quality. Well, has a lot of high quality designers as well. You can go to design and creative or just type in the same thing, logo design. You're gonna get a bunch of designers. They're gonna pop up for your job posting that you're gonna list on Upwork. And again, just dig through their portfolio, see what it looks like, and see if they've actually done any design work for it, any kind of Amazon brands. And if so, just kind of talk with them and kind of negotiate the price that you're looking for. I wouldn't spend over $500 for a logo design. That's just me. But if you decide to do that, by all means, go for it. But if you're, again, low on cash right now and you want to just get something going, just to get your product out there, I suggest going to Fiverr, searching through the portfolio, see which one best aligns with your brand or the look and feel that you're going for, and then just try them out, see how they work for you. And to get the name of your brand, if you're just starting out and you're kind of confused, oh, well, I don't know what to do, or like I don't know what my logo to say, or I don't know what kind of tagline to put with my logo, you can simply go to Squad Help. Squad Help is pretty cool. They do a contest for naming a business and also logo design as well. So you can just go to in taglines. But hopefully it doesn't take too long. I don't know what's going on with my internet, but anyway, let's go back. It doesn't take too long. Now looks like it's stuck. But we'll just wait till it loads. But anyway, with Squad Help again, like it's basically like it's a marketplace for contests for naming your business, a logo, and taglines. And as you can see, here are some right here: Gamers, Glowick, Tweak, Nimvy. Like there's different names that you can just like sort through, or you can just start a contest. And again, it'll be a ton of people, creative people that are gonna like create a name for your brand as well as a tagline for your brand, and you would just pay them at the end of that submission. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. But what I tend to do is like I'll just try to see like get a feel for what names they have for my niche, and then what I'll do is I'll try to mix and match different words to see if it sounds good for my brand, and then I just go from there. Then I use that, give it to my designer, and then he'll create the actual brand itself based on what I just built and made from Squad Help. So again, you can go through the taglines too if you want to add a tagline to your brand. They have that as well on here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super slow if I click on it. Oh, actually went fast this time. So yeah, there's different taglines that are on here too. You can buy them if you want, but again, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just make something up. This is a winner submission, so you can do the same thing. You start a contest for a tagline, and then people will start pumping out taglines for your brand based on the name. So in the industry that you're in. But yeah, guys, and again, the other site would be Behance. That's a bit more expensive, but nevertheless, it's high quality work from professional designers. So, but yeah, guys, in a nutshell, that's it. Those are four different platforms that you can go to in order to establish your brand story. And also, if you want them to actually write your story, you can either go to Upwork or Fiverr to do that. Just give them a premise of what you're looking for, what your brand is about, and then they'll come up with a story using creative writing. So that's obviously, it's really dope as well. But again, if you like what I'm putting down, if you like the video, if you got value from it, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.